Good morning, students. The last chapter we have completed is linear equation in two variable. Now moving to next chapter, that is quadrilateral. That is chapter number 8. Quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral, a closed figure which is made of four sides is known as quadrilateral. Now we will see the different terms associated with quadrilateral. What are the terms like vertex? How many vertex will be there? How many sides? How many diagonals? What will be the total angle of a quadrilateral? So let us see some terms associated with quadrilateral and properties in what are the different types of quadrilateral. So chapter number 8. It is quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral, quad means four, laterals means sides. What will be a closed figure? What is the definition? A closed figure which is made up of four sides. How many sides? It is made up of four sides. So quadrilateral, this A, B, C, D. It will be a quadrilateral. So how many vertex? So total there will be four vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of vertex equals to 4. Diagonal, how many diagonal will be? Number of diagonal will be 2. Now here A will be opposite of angle C, B will be angle opposite of D. Understood? Now one thing remember, sum of angle of quadrilateral. Angle of quadrilateral. In class 6th, 8th you have studied the angle of polygon is given by n minus 2 into 180. What? N minus 2 into 180 is the angle of a polygon. So what will be the angle of quadrilateral? Here n is the number of sides. So angle of quadrilateral will be 4 minus 2 into 180, that is 360. Now we will also prove that the angle sum of quadrilateral is 360. Now let us prove that the angle sum of a quadrilateral is 360. What we are proving? Properties of a quadrilateral. See, property 1, angle sum of a quadrilateral is 360. What we have to do? We have to prove that the quadrilateral, the sum of all angles of quadrilateral is 360. How we will draw? How we will prove? First we will draw a quadrilateral. A, B, C, D. We have a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Yes. Now what we will do? We will divide this quadrilateral into two parts. into two triangles. What we will do? We will divide this triangle into two equal parts. Now we are having two triangles. हमारे पास now we will have two triangle, triangle ABC and triangle ABC. Now what is the sum of a triangle? We know that the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180. So here the angle of ABC, triangle ABC will be 180, and here also 180. 180 plus 180, how much it will be? 360. So let us prove. So first we will write what is given to prove, construction and proof. In given A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. What? A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. Now, first thing, now to prove what we have to prove, angle A, angle B plus angle C plus angle D equals to 360. Now, construction. What construction? Join either AP, AC और BC, AC और BD. या तो हम AC को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं या BD को, किसी को भी ज्वाइन करेंगे, our resultant will be the same. What? Resultant will be the same. So join AC. Now prove. Now in triangle ABC we have angle BAC plus angle B plus angle BCA equals to 180 degree. This is point number 1. Similarly, in triangle ADC we have what we have? Angle DAC plus angle D plus angle DCA equals to 180 degree. Now what we will do? We will add equation 1 and equation 2. Now adding equation 1 and equation 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2 we get first angle BAC and DAC. Angle BAC plus angle DAC plus angle B plus angle D plus DCA angle BCA plus angle DCA, that will be 180 plus 180. So angle BAC and angle DAC, when you will add you will get angle A. So this, the sum of this angle is angle A, angle B plus angle D, and sum of angle BCA this part and DCA this part. When you will add you will get complete angle C, that is 360. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equals to 360 degree. What we have to prove? The sum of all four angles is 360. That we have proved. Now we will move next. What are the different types of quadrilateral? This is the angle sum property. Now we will see different types of quadrilateral. What are the different types of quadrilateral we have? Types of quadrilateral. What? Types of quadrilateral. First, trapezium. Second, parallelogram. Rectangle, rhombus, fifth, square, and sixth, kite. There are total 6 types of quadrilateral, and we will see what are their properties or not. So first, trapezium. Trapezium, a quadrilateral in which only one pair of parallel sides is, opposite side is parallel is called a quadrilateral in which only one pair of opposite sides are parallel is called trapezium. What? एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल होगा, उसमें क्या होगा कि only one pair of opposite parallel sides, that will be a trapezium. So see this figure, A, B, C, D. यहाँ पे पैरेलल कौन है? AB पैरेलल्स टू CD. What? AB पैरेलल्स टू CD. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? ट्रेपेजियम. इसमें क्या होता है? Only one pair of parallel sides. Now see, first here AB parallels to DC. One pair of opposite parallel sides. Next, angle A plus angle D and angle B plus angle C will be 180. What? Angle A, second property is angle A plus angle D equals to 180 and angle B plus angle C equals to 180. What? Sum of adjacent angle is 180. Now if two non-parallel sides, अगर दो non-parallel sides equal हो जाए, what? If two non-parallel sides, जैसे ये AD और BC क्या है? Non-parallel sides है. If they are equal, what? If non-parallel sides are equal, then that trapezium is known as isosceles trapezium. That is in bracket AD equals to BC. What? AD equals to BC. So see, first we have to discuss trapezium. Trapezium, a quadrilateral in which only one pair of opposite sides are parallel is called trapezium. Trapezium कौन सा होगा? कौन सा quadrilateral होगा? The quadrilateral जिसके पास एक पेयर का पैरेलल साइड हो. कितने पेयर का? Only one pair of parallel sides. ये फिगर हो जाएगा ए बी सी डी। इसमें क्या है, ए बी पैरेलल टू डी सी, वन पेयर ऑफ ऑपोजिट पैरेलल साइड्स, और एंगल ए प्लस एंगल क्या होगा, ए बी पैरेलल टू डी सी, यानी वन पेयर ऑफ अपोजिट पैरेलल साइड्स। उसका क्या होगा, एंगल